你们好，我是春燕。Hello, this is Chinese language instructor Chun Yan. Welcome to Mandarin for Our Classroom. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about two directional verbs, to come and to go, and how to apply them into the daily life. I'm going to talk about three structures. First one, to come or to go plus destination. Second one, to come or to go plus purpose. Third one, to come or to go plus destination plus purpose. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to talk about these two directional verbs. To come, 来 to go, 去 These are the two simple verbs, but they're quite similar to each other. The difference is in the direction of the movement based on the speaker. For example, if I'm the speaker, to go, that means I go towards you or somewhere. To come, that means from somewhere come towards me. Now let's talk about the first structure, to come or to go plus destination. Come to my house. 来我家。来我家。My house. 我家。My friend comes to my house today. 我朋友今天来我家。我朋友今天来我家。我朋友 my friend 今天 today 来我家 come to my house. Come to the company 来公司。来公司 company 公司。Mr. Wang comes to the company this afternoon. 王先生今天下午来公司。王先生今天下午来公司。王先生 Mr. Wang 今天下午 this afternoon 来公司 come to the company. Go to America 去美国。去美国 I go to America this year. 我今年去美国。我今年去美国。我 I 今年 this year 去美国 go to America. Go to supermarket 去超市。去超市 supermarket 超市。I go to supermarket by foot. 我走路去超市。我走路去超市。我 I 走路 by foot 去超市 go to supermarket. Now let's talk about the second structure, to come or to go plus purpose. Come to visit me. 来看我。来看我。看我 to visit me. My friend comes to visit me today. 我朋友今天来看我。 我朋友今天来看我。我朋友 my friend 今天 today 来看我 come to visit me. Come to check 来检查。来检查 to check 检查。Manager will come to check later. 经理一会儿来检查。经理一会儿来检查。经理 manager 一会儿 later 来检查 come to check. Go buy clothing 去买衣服。去买衣服 buy clothing 买衣服。I want to go buy clothing tomorrow. 我想明天去买衣服。我想明天去买衣服。我想 I want 明天 tomorrow 去买衣服 go buy clothing. Go for interview 去面试。去面试 interview 面试。My older brother is going for interview today. 我哥哥今天去面试。我哥哥今天去面试。我哥哥 my older brother 今天 today 去面试 go for interview. Now let's talk about the third structure. To come or to go plus destination plus purpose. Come to France for a business trip. 来法国出差。来法国出差。France 法国。Business trip 出差。Miss Zhang comes to France for a business trip. 张女士来法国出差。张女士来法国出差。张女士 Miss Zhang 来法国 come to France 出差 for business trip. Come to Germany for traveling. 来德国旅游。来德国旅游。Germany 德国。Traveling 旅游。They will come to Germany for traveling next year. 他们明年来德国旅游。他们明年来德国旅游。他们 they 明年 next year 来德国 come to Germany 旅游 traveling. Go to school for exam. 去学校考试。去学校考试。School 学校。Exam 考试。I go to school for exam this morning. 我今天上午 去学校考试。我今天上午去学校考试。我 I 今天上午 this morning 去学校 go to school 考试 for exam go to company for meeting 去公司开会去公司开会 company 公司 for a meeting 开会 I must go to company for a meeting now 我现在必须去公司开会。我现在必须去公司开会。我 I 现在 now 必须 must 去公司 go to company 开会 for meeting. Thank you very much for learning Chinese with me. Practice and use them into your daily life. Please leave your question and comment. I will see you again next time. 再见。